is so freaking bomb. Like, I'm sold. I'm sold. What's up, BB gang? It's your girl BC, and I'm back to you with another video. In today's video, this video will consist of how I maintain this curly hair. So it's really like a curly hair routine. So this hair is from Beauty Forever. This is their Malaysian Jerry curl hair. I did this hair in 22 inches, 3 bundles, and a 20-inch closure. So far, so good. This is my first time ordering from this company. So yeah, it's been going well. I did make a unit out of this hair, so I don't sleep in it and I don't wear it all the time. I didn't do any type of cutting on this hair, so this is the natural like length of their 22 inches, and I am 5'5", so it is a great length for curly hair. So yeah, pros and cons on this hair, I would say pro is that it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I do love it, especially when it dries. I will link a video of the hair once it dries, but this hair is bomb, like bomb.com. Okay, yeah, like it is bomb. I'm liking it. I'm loving it so far. No complaints. The only thing I would say about this hair is that it does shed, but what hair don't shed? If somebody say that their hair don't shed, they lying. But it's not like, you know, a massive amount. Curly hair gonna shed. Curly hair is high maintenance, okay? High maintenance. You gotta make sure you're taking care of this hair. If you don't take care of this hair, it's not gonna take care of you, okay? Remember that. So everything about this hair will be in the description below, the link and everything where you can purchase the hair. If you want to see how I achieve this beautiful, beautiful look on this hair, please stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to it. Alright guys, this is the end result of this hair. It is completely dry. Y'all, this hair is so freaking pretty. I am so satisfied with this hair, y'all. Oh, this is like a whole summer vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like a summer vibe. Even though we can't even go out, and play or whatever, you still can be cute in the house. We have made it to 10,000 subscribers. Okay, so with that being said, I want to do a giveaway. So if you guys can comment down below and let me know, give me some ideas on what I can do for the giveaway. Okay, y'all? But not for real though. Comment down below and let me know. At the end of the day, go ahead and hit that notification bell, y'all. Go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and I'll be back.